Hey guys, today, some no-bite delight from J.M. Boswell's, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. A little bit of all thread laying around. That's a whole other video. But today, this is going to be the final take, because I don't like to use the R word, review. Let me look. Because this is just my take on the tobaccos. But this is going to be my take, and this will be for December 2022. This goes along with Muttnchop Piper and his blend club. And this is the final blend of the year from J.M. Boswell's, and it is No Bite Delight. Here we go, a little shot of that fella. And it was a great year. Thank you, Muttnchop Piper. If you're listening, if you've ever watched any of my videos, I want to thank you. It was a good way to really get into some blends that are small blended, local brick and mortar type place. And this one's a little more local to me than a lot of people. About 2.5, 3 hours away. Anyway, No Bite Delight. And just in case you're wondering, I got my book. And today I am smoking it out of my garage made pipe tool, my Neil Monnier small billiard. And it's a little guy and it's real comfy. A little bit of background. Today I got up, it was 1 degree outside. And with the wind, it was negative 11. It is now 0 degrees outside. And with the wind, it is negative 24. It's pretty cold out. So I'm working in the shop. I'm doing some stuff. I'm not talking about that. It's going to be something else. Did go outside. Had to do a couple things. And it is wicked cold. So I figured, hey, let's do the video. So I did my char light. Buddy going, let me fire this up. Get the book out and do a little bit of taking. I have a few pipes in my collection, but this pipe right here has one of the best draws. It's a great pipe for smoking flakes. Just want to say that. But hey, on to the take. Got the book. Okay. Here we go. And Muttnchop hasn't put out what he's doing for next year. I don't know if he's doing Blend Club next year or going to do maybe half a year. But I'll leave a link for him down below. Check out his channel. Okay. J.M. Boswell's No Bite Delight. Once again, this is the Blend Club December choice. So I bought 2 ounces at $3.75 per ounce, plus tax, plus shipping. And if you live in Pennsylvania, once again, if you haven't watched any of my videos on J.M. Boswell's blends, please go back, check out the channel. No, it's not a channel. I have a channel playlist. If you live in Pennsylvania, you have to pay an excise tax. My first smoke was out of my Peterson system pipe. I always smoke aromatic blends out of my system pipe first. Just a thing. It was evening, I had my teeth in, and I was drinking an IPA. Which I'm drinking today. Not the same IPA, but I was drinking an IPA. This is an aromatic. It's listed as Black Cavendish, and Virginia. I'm going to check my mic again because I haven't charged it in a while. I don't want to make a video. The cut was ribbon. The color was an even mix of browns and black. Moisture. Once again, I don't know how Boswell's does it. On point. It was perfect. Didn't really dry this one. I did sometimes. I'd leave it out and dry just to see, and it burns good both ways. Tin note, I was getting chocolate. I was getting a Hershey syrup smell. Not, I'm sure you guys know what Hershey syrup is. It does have a distinct smell. was also getting a smell of like icing, cake, sugar, just sweet. So my char light, I was getting some bread. I got some bread notes because I think that char light sometimes it gives you the first flavor bite of the blend you're smoking. I got some bread. I got a pretty round flavor, like sweet cakes, cocoa, like a yoo-hoo taste. You know, yoo-hoo, I call it chocolate water. My first impression, when I make these videos and I'm talking to you guys, I gotta constantly relight. Okay, first impression. I said it was bready. It was a smooth Cavendish flavor. I was getting chocolate, cocoa. I was getting sweet, but not like a sugar, not like a candy, but like sweetness, like a sweet bread. I said, yeah, like a coffee cake. I said, it lights well, it burns cool. It's pleasing on the palate. And I said, once again, this is a very easy smoking Boswell aromatic. I like the bready cocoa flavor, and it has a great aftertaste. There was nothing complex. I said, we'll have to have a bowl with a cup of coffee and see how that goes. It's lightly sweet halfway down. Or I said slightly sweet. Halfway down, most of the sweetness is gone. I said, still has a great Cavendish flavor. Bottom of the bowl, not my favorite. So we'll have to see what happens in some different pipes, because sometimes different pipes burn a different way. I said, the way this blend smells and tastes, I said, this is what I always thought a pipe was when I was young. And by that, I mean, my Uncle Bill smoked a pipe. And I can remember Christmases, and he'd have his pipe and everything. And the smell, I don't know what he smoked, and I don't know what kind of pipes he had or what happened to his pipes. But just closing my eyes and thinking, I'm betting he was smoking, and this is the 70s. So I'm betting he was smoking some Captain Black or something like that. And it's that good, if you haven't smoked Captain Black, if you're a new piper, get some Captain Black. Don't listen to what fancy people say. It's a good Cavendish. It has a great Cavendish flavor. And I do like Cavendish. When I first started smoking a pipe, I like Cavendish a lot. But now it's a real good base for a lot of things. And that's what I get out of this blend. It's like just an incredible Cavendish tobacco. That's easy, it's simple, nothing's complex. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to wonder, oh, was that a note from Turkey or something. It's just a good all-around even blend. You can smoke it any time of the day or night. Some other notes. I was smoking it out of my Rossi. I had a coffee and it was in the morning. I said nothing stands out, nothing complex. I still don't like the bottom of the bowl. And that was on several, basically the same thing going on. And I don't know what it is with the bottom of the bowl, but it seemed to, I don't want to say ash out, it ran out of steam, so to speak, for me. But like I said, this is a very good all-around blend. Top quality. Boswell's always top quality. Would I buy this again? Probably not. Will I throw this away? No, absolutely not. I'll keep this up on my shelf, and there's going to be them days where, like, I'm down here, I'm getting ready to stain some boards. Like, you know, I'm going to have a little bit of that. I want some of that Cavendish flavor, and Cavendish to me has that sweet bread flavor that it's just good. I don't even know how. Oh, whack me a comment down below. How would you guys describe a good Cavendish? Do you like a good Cavendish, or is Cavendish because it's a base for a lot of blends. And there's different Cavendish, black Cavendish and no non-flavored Cavendish and this Cavendish. I like black Cavendish. A little bit of noise on that one. But all around, I'm giving this 3 matchsticks from the bench. Just because it's not a blend I'm going to chase down. It's nothing that's on my list of must-haves. But it is a very good all-around blend. And if you're newer to piping, give it a go. Actually, if you're newer to piping and you want to really get into some great quality, top quality aromatic blends, check out Boswells, because they do it right. It's very cold. I'm having a beer. It's afternoon. I've been doing a lot of sanding on a board. And like I said, this is going to be the last Blend Club post, so to speak. And it's been a great year. And I'm going to do one more video, and it's going to sum up Boswell's, all 12 Boswell's blends, and I'm just going to pick what was my favorite blend of 2022 from J.M. Boswell's. What will it be? What blend will it be? I bet a lot of people out there who watch my videos know what it's going to be. That's good. No burn. It's simple. Nothing spectacular. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed this year's Noah's take on Boswell's, following along with Muttnchop Piper and Blend Club, and have a lot more ideas for 2023 for some different blends and some different content I'd like to put out. I'd like to thank you guys for watching all my 2022 Noah's takes on J.M. Boswell's. I'm going to sit back. I'm going to enjoy my IPA. That's what I have. Yeah, I have a Founders IPA. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this bowl. And I'm going to stay out of the cold because it's super cold. Well, hey, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.